So today's video is about this big box that I received from NYX Cosmetics India for making it into the top 15 of the Face Awards India 2018 competition. To proceed with the unboxing, I just wanted to thank all my subscribers for watching and commenting on my videos. It is such a great motivation. I never thought I would make so many videos and post so many videos. So your views and your comments mean a lot to me. Thank you very much. I love you guys. Apologies for not being able to post any videos for a while. I will make it up by posting videos regularly in future. I would need your love and support and motivation to make it through this entire competition. So if you like the look that I make for the next challenge, which is the Drop Dead Gorgeous Challenge, then please vote for me. I have a giveaway coming soon, so please stay tuned to my channel. So without any further delay, let's see what's in the box. So this is how it looks. Let me show you each of the items one by one. So first is this mirror. Really nice mirror, perfect size. Next up is this lip shaped pouch. I believe it's a pouch that you can put your makeup in. Really cute. Then I have this bag. This is a laptop bag. It also has a strap in there. I'm definitely taking this to work. This is another sort of pouch. This is interesting. So basically this is the base and this is actually a bag. So when you don't need it, you can just fold it and close this pouch. Really good idea. Then we have this. This is actually a selfie light. I already have one of these. I actually shot my Gothic Unicorn video with one of these, and I'm also using this right now to shoot this video. So this is a really helpful tool. So finally, the box that I was waiting to open. Now, what I loved about this box was this amazing print that it has on it. This is actually the faces of all these amazing makeup artists with their amazing looks. This is really, really nice. I love the box. And the first thing that came to my mind when I looked at this box was what I could do with the empty box. How could I utilize it? So you definitely got to see a video with this box in it. Alright, so let me just open this. So the first thing in there is this lip shaped card which says congrats. Behind it, it says, welcome to the top 15. Here is a little bit of love from us to help you grab a place in the top 6. We know you're going to kill it in the Drop Dead Gorgeous Challenge. Submissions 11th May to 5th June. This is really cool. Now this box is just full of makeup. So in order to save time, what I'm going to do is just lay this all down, and then we can see each of these products in detail. So I will be right back. I have laid down everything that was in the box. Now let's take a closer look. So guys, did you see the amount of makeup that's in that box? It's just amazing. I was surprised and excited and happy all at the same time, mixed feelings. I just want to thank NYX Cosmetics India once again for this wonderful opportunity and for being so generous and giving us so many things for our next challenge. This is just amazing. So we have reached the end of the video. I hope you guys liked the video. Thank you for watching and please stay tuned to this channel for more videos. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and bye bye. See you soon.